Hey guys, so today we're going to see how you can easily create expenses or bills automatically on QuickBooks. So the first thing is you need a Get Invoice account, and well, you can just go to Get Invoice and create a free account and then start uploading invoices, or just connect your emails and let Get Invoice extract all these invoices for you. So when we are on Get Invoice, we will go to the Integrations tab and connect our QuickBooks account. So here you see that currently it's not connected, so we will click on Add Account. This will trigger the QuickBooks login, and now we're basically going to enter our QuickBooks data. In my case, I was already logged in, so it really it wasn't necessary. So in this case, I'll just go back to the Integrations tab, and now I see that QuickBooks is connected, and for example, I can remove it if I don't want to use it anymore. But now that it's connected, I can just go to the dashboard. I see all my invoices. If you don't have any invoice, you can just upload one. And I go here to the Actions column on the invoice table. And in this case, as I have connected my QuickBooks account, I see this Add to QuickBooks button. So I will click here, and this will load our QuickBooks data. And now you'll see what I mean. It will load our expenses, our payment methods, and our tax treatments. And in this case, I can just select from all my expense accounts. This is pulled from your QuickBooks account. The same for the payment method and the same for the tax treatment. And in this case, I can also select either to create an expense or a bill on QuickBooks. In this case, I'm just going to go with the expense, and I'm just going with the default values here. And I would click Add to QuickBooks. In this case, this will push the invoice with all the data to my QuickBooks account and create an expense with all its data included. So we can see that that was successful. And if I click here now, I can see that I can't no longer add it to QuickBooks as it was already added. And I can just view it on QuickBooks. So here what we'll see is basically the invoice with all the line items, with also the attachment of the invoice, also what was the payment date, payment account that we did select from the pop-up, and well, this was created automatically. It also converts automatically all your it takes all the line items in the invoice and adds them here. So you have all the expense data created automatically, and I could just save it, and that's all. And this, I can do the same with each one of our invoices. So if you upload an invoice, you will see that basically automatically we extract all this information and also other information that you don't see here. But we do this so we can create the expense or the bill, which I'm going to create now, so you can see it. So we're going to take this invoice now. I'm going to click Add to QuickBooks. I'm going to select the bill, and I'm going to add it to QuickBooks just like with the expense. And now we're just going to wait for the bill to be created. In this case, it was already created, so I can view it in QuickBooks directly. And you can see now that this is a bill now, and we have all the information: the vendor, all the address, the bill date, due date, the bill number, the amount, the same in the expense example in which the line items were populated. The attachment was also populated, and I can just also save it, and that's all. So depending on my use case, I can use the expense or bill creation for QuickBooks, and that would be all.